So you're sick and tired of living from paycheck to paycheck. You want to get out from this rat race. You want to start paying off all your debts. And now you're looking at MoneyPantry.com. Is MoneyPantry a legit website, or is it going to be a waste of your time? Now I know how precious your time is to you, so I'm going to make this video as informative as I can to tell you exactly what MoneyPantry is all about, so you can make an informed decision. My name is Rupesh and welcome to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find real ways to making money online. And if you still haven't found any way on getting started, then feel free to check out my #1 recommendation. Just click on the link that is in the video description. So let's take a look at now and see what this MoneyPantry site is all about. Okay, so right off the bat, what exactly is the MoneyPantry website all about? It's about helping people to deal with their personal finances. So let's just say that you are somebody who wants to learn how to make money online. Then MoneyPantry has options for you to learn how to make money. If you want to learn how to save money, they can help you with that as well. And if you want to also learn how you can score some freebies or discounts while doing your regular grocery shopping, then they also have some options for you there as well. So that in a nutshell is what the MoneyPantry website is all about. Now, who are the owners of the MoneyPantry website? Here we are at my website, rupeshgovan.com. So feel free to check this website out. This is where I've written most of my product reviews. So if you want to, you can learn more about other products here. You can also check out my #1 recommendations to making money online. So who owns MoneyPantry.com? There is no real owner behind the MoneyPantry website. There's no owner transparency. The official MoneyPantry website started back in 2013, and the creators claim they do not have any qualifications in business or finance, and neither do they have any huge Twitter or social media following. Apparently, according to the official MoneyPantry website, this website was featured in top publications such as Forbes, Yahoo Finance, and Entrepreneur.com. And the owner is an Iranian American individual by nationality. The person came to America as a refugee in September 2002, and over the 15 to 20 years, he or she, whoever they are, they have learned much about personal finance, and that's where they created this website, MoneyPantry.com, to help folks achieve the comfortable life that they have achieved from what they've learned over the years. Okay, so here we are back at the MoneyPantry website, because I'm going to just give you a quick walkthrough on how the site works. So earlier on, I mentioned to you that there's 3 ways that you can use the site. You can find out on ways on how you can earn money, then you can find out ways on how you can save money, and how you can score freebies. Now, if you were to click one of these links, it's going to bring you to a place where there's mostly blog post articles, and I'll show you like how much does Coinstar charge, is Honeygain legit, 6 legit ways to get free money for college, and so forth. So basically it's a collection of articles that has to do with the topic on how you can earn money. And then the same would follow if you look at saving money. There's blog post articles on how you can go about saving money. Just want to show you what articles they talk about here. 25 ways to get free groceries near you, 90 plus stores that accept Apple Pay. And then let's take a look at the last option, which is where you can score some freebies or discounts while doing your shopping. And let's see what I have to say here. Alright, 20 best free Google Sheets. Okay, 12 best sites you can send free birthday e-cards, where you can score free electronics, and so forth. So you get the basic idea on how this MoneyPantry website works. Now, I have to tell you that I've been through some of the articles, and not all of the make money opportunities are decent opportunities. Like one of the articles they talked about is called Survey Here, and I actually did do a review on this as well. You can check out my video collections, and you will find that with these survey sites, they pay very little or next to nothing. So it's not really a valuable option for you if you want to make some serious money online. That's with regards to the earn money opportunities. So now at this point in time, I want to just take you through to some of the pros and cons of this MoneyPantry opportunity. So now we're going to talk about some of the positives and the negatives of the company. The pros of MoneyPantry is that it's free to register. There's a lot of information and advice on the website. And I read somewhere that none of these are going to give you make you get rich quickly. So I like the fact that there's no get rich quick promises. Coming to the cons, there's no owner transparency. The opportunities on offer here do not give you the chance to earn a passive income or to build a business that will give you a passive income earning potential. And there is no testimonials from any of the guest bloggers. And then the last cons about it is that the social media post hasn't been updated for a while now. I think the last time I saw a social media post was back in July 2021. Okay, so now I want to discuss something else with you. How can you make money with MoneyPantry? Now I have showed you those three options, right? But previously, MoneyPantry.com, they actually had a guest post program going on. So anyone who would blog in an article would get paid for the material provided that it meets some of the conditions. So if your article is relevant, if it's refreshing, and if it's unique to earning and making money, they would pay you, and they would pay you anywhere from $30 to $150 per post. So those articles that I've shown you on MoneyPantry, those bloggers got paid for those particular articles. But now that's also what I mean in the cons, where there was no testimonials from these guest bloggers to actually show that, you know what, they have got paid or they enjoyed writing for MoneyPantry and so forth. But anyway, now they say we do not pay you just for submitting a post to us. You only get paid if we publish your post. And just how much you get paid depends on a few factors, such as the quality of your post and how useful it is. Generally, we pay between $30 to $150 per post. They stopped accepting guest bloggers as of 17th of February 2021. And that means now the only way you really can make money using their website is to read some of the blog post articles and act upon whatever they've suggested in those articles. Okay, so now we come to the end of the video, and this is where I discuss with you my verdict. Is MoneyPantry legit, or is it a waste of your time? And my opinion is, I actually think that it's a bit of both of them, because look, there are some articles that are helpful, but then when they talk about things like survey sites or get paid to do websites, these sites, in my opinion, I just believe that they are a waste of one's time. And also when it comes to you wanting to learn on how to make real money online, there's no articles that will really talk to you about business teaching platforms that can help you build a solid business online. For instance, when I went to the search bar on the website and I wanted to learn about affiliate marketing or how I can start an affiliate marketing business, then the search bar, the results would just deliver me articles on affiliate marketing programs, niches. And this doesn't really show you the actual process on how to start affiliate marketing, or even where can I get started with. So for someone who is a beginner, it's really not worth it. Now, coming to the end, is MoneyPantry the right business opportunity for you? That really does depend on what it is that you're looking for. If you are looking for starting some side hustles that will just pay a few dollars here and there, then perhaps MoneyPantry would be the right option for you. If on the other hand you're looking at starting an online business where you want to build a business with real passive income earning potential, then I don't think that this is the right website. So that concludes my review of MoneyPantry. I hope now you have a much more clearer picture of what it's all about, and now maybe you can put yourself in the picture and decide whether or not it's the right option for you. If you have any questions or any comments whatsoever, feel free to leave it below this video and I will definitely get back to you. And before leaving you, I want to just tell you that if you want to learn on how you can start your very own online business, feel free to click on a link in the video description, and it will take you to a page where I discuss with you how I, as a pharmacist, started to earn an income online and how it can help you as well. especially if you are somebody who is brand new to starting an online business. Having said that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can speak to each other in my next video. I'd like to wish you everything of the best in your online success. Take care and goodbye.